gonna teach y'all how to make a pizza at Domino's. Here we go. First, you slap that bit.
Alright, stop.
Put that bit on the screen.
Stop.
Throw some sauce on that bit.
Stop. Start it.
Sprinkle a little bit of cheese on that bit. A little more cheese. Throw that bit in the oven. Get that bit out the oven. I cut it in 8 slices. And that's why we better than Pizza Hut.
This is definitely the recipe that I use the most in my kitchen, and for good reason. This dough is extremely versatile. I use it for my garlic bread, my Detroit style pizzas, and it even makes a really nice Italian loaf of bread, or you can use it in the uni like Sup Chef. We'll start by mixing our yeast in warm water and letting sit for about 10 minutes. Then we'll mix all of our dry ingredients. Then we'll add our yeast mixture to our dry ingredients and begin to knead. Once your dough starts to form, add your olive oil. Move to a floured surface and knead until completely smooth. Bulk rise for 30 minutes and portion out to your desired size. Tuck the dough under itself and roll to create a ball. Let rise in the fridge overnight or at room temp for about 6 hours. Then you're ready to make some pizzas like these.
I'm gonna teach you how to make this bomb.com ask your mom pizza snack. And before you say anything, I know this is not how you make real pizza, but shut your face and watch the rest of this video. Take your bread and cover some pizza sauce, marinara sauce, tomato sauce, whatever kind of sauce you got. Then top her off with some mozzarella cheese and some pepperoni. Then we're gonna put her in the air fryer at 400 degrees for 4 to 6 minutes. And bam, I call this the bomb.com ask your mom pizza snack.